This high-protein pumpkin pie takes a traditional pumpkin pie recipe and makes a few healthy swaps. I was out of almond butter when I made this video, so I tried this sugar-free cookie butter and it worked perfectly. We're going to mix it with water until it's combined and smooth, and then we're going to add in the rice protein powder and cinnamon. We're going to mix that together, and if we need to, we'll add a little bit more rice powder to get the right consistency. We want to be able to roll this out or press it out in a pie pan. Now that it's the right consistency, we'll get it all out of the bowl and we'll press it into a pie dish. We'll set that aside and start making the filling. We're going to take our canned pumpkin and mix it with the spices, and we'll set that aside. We'll mix the whey protein powder with water until that's smooth and add that to the pumpkin and spices. Mix that together until it's combined, and then we'll add 2 eggs. Once that's all mixed in, the pie filling is ready to go into the crust. So we're going to pour that into the crust, and then we're going to bake. Now we're going to let it cool and come to room temperature before we slice and enjoy. Happy baking!